Experiencing problems with your Garmin Edge 1040 Solar not charging? You're not alone. Since its release, some users have reported issues with the solar charging function. This video will explore the potential causes, solutions, and the overall performance of the Edge 1040 Solar's solar charging capabilities. We'll cover troubleshooting steps, firmware updates, and even a recent recall program designed to address these concerns. Before assuming a malfunction, let's troubleshoot. First, ensure your device is exposed to direct sunlight. Indirect or diffused light provides minimal charge. Clean the solar lens with a microfiber cloth and isopropyl alcohol to remove any dust or obstructions. Check your device's settings to confirm that solar charging is enabled. If the device still isn't charging, proceed to the next steps. Firmware updates have been a key fix for solar charging problems on the Garmin Edge 1040 Solar. Garmin has released several updates to address these issues, with the most significant being version 17.2, released in December 2025. This update optimized solar input detection and battery calibration, reportedly fixing charging issues for 70% of affected users. To ensure your device benefits from these fixes, update to the latest firmware using Garmin Express or Garmin Connect. These tools provide easy access to official updates directly from Garmin. Additionally, check the update logs after installation to see specific improvements related to solar charging. This helps confirm that your device has the latest optimizations for better performance. Regular firmware updates are essential for maintaining optimal solar charging functionality on your Garmin Edge 1040 Solar. In February 2026, Garmin announced a voluntary recall program for Edge 1040 Solar devices manufactured between 2021 and 2023. This recall addresses issues with the lens module, which can reduce solar charging efficiency. Check Garmin's support website to see if your device is eligible for a free replacement with a revised lens that enhances solar efficiency by 15 to 20%. Solar charging performance in the Garmin Edge 1040 Solar is heavily influenced by environmental factors. Urban pollution and atmospheric conditions can significantly reduce the device's ability to harness sunlight effectively. In urban areas, pollution and smog can block ultraviolet rays that are essential for solar charging. This is similar to temperature inversion, where a layer of warm air traps cooler air and pollutants near the ground, preventing UV rays from reaching the device. Another common issue is using screen protectors that block UV light. Even transparent protectors can filter out the ultraviolet spectrum needed for photovoltaic charging, reducing efficiency to near zero. Helmet mounts and sun shields can also shade the device during rides. While protective, these accessories often block direct sunlight from reaching the solar lens, preventing charging during cycling activities. Solar charging works best in sunny, open conditions with direct sunlight. In these environments, the device can achieve optimal charging rates, extending battery life significantly during outdoor activities. In low-light environments, such as winter months, cloudy regions, or indoor settings, solar charging becomes ineffective. Always rely on USB charging as a backup to ensure your device remains powered. According to Garmin engineers, solar charging is designed to augment, not replace, traditional charging. You can expect an extra 10 to 20 hours of battery life per day when the device is exposed to full sun. Real-world testing shows the Edge 1040 Solar charges 20% faster than non-solar models under ideal conditions. If you're not seeing these results, refer back to our troubleshooting steps mentioned earlier. Solar technology is increasingly integrated into wearable devices, driving the evolution of cycling computers towards greater sustainability. Expect advancements like AI-driven charging algorithms that predict sunlight exposure based on GPS data and weather, along with improved solar cell efficiency using materials like perovskite for better UV absorption. While challenges like climate change, reducing sunlight in polluted areas, and the e-waste problem from device disposal persist, the trend points towards more sustainable and energy-efficient cycling computers that minimize environmental impact. Keep an eye out for potential future models like the rumored Edge 1050 Solar, which is expected to have a larger lens for increased charging area and adaptive charging that adjusts to different light conditions. Solar-powered cycling computers represent the future of sustainable tech in sports, combining performance with environmental responsibility.